At Camp Nou, construction is moving forward across the stadium. Today, we'll take a close look at the latest updates. Panels being installed, staircases taking shape, corners progressing, and work happening throughout the lateral zones. Step by step, the project is coming together, and in this update, we'll show all the key areas where visible progress is taking place. In the lateral zone, construction activity continues with several elevated platforms in operation. Workers are active around the elevator core structure, where additional components are still being installed. The steel beams in this area have now been fully repainted black, completing the surface treatment phase. Although louver supports have not yet been installed here, material staging and ongoing platform work indicate preparation for the next construction steps. In the South Goal area, progress remains steady but gradual. Large quantities of louver panels are already staged nearby, especially toward the corner zones. However, the main structural supports and anchors required for louver installation are still missing in several sections, which means installation has not yet begun on the main South Goal facade. The corner section shows clear progress with new louvers already installed. Several louver panels have been mounted vertically, making this one of the most visually advanced areas at the moment. Additional louvers are stacked and ready for installation, and the dedicated crane remains positioned nearby, indicating that further installation is expected to continue as weather and conditions allow. Sandwich panel installation is advancing around multiple staircase structures. Lower levels feature concrete panels, while lighter sandwich panels are now being installed on upper sections. These panels are appearing more frequently around the stadium, signaling a shift toward enclosure and finishing work. Decorative outer cladding is expected to be added later over these panels. In the North Goal area, construction activity continues despite the upcoming league match. Multiple elevated platforms are in use, and interior work is ongoing across different levels. However, louver anchors have not yet been installed in this section, meaning louver installation is still some distance away. Overall, structural and access-related work continues to progress steadily. The diamond-shaped structure that will house the future cafeteria is now largely enclosed with glass panels. Most of the glazing has been installed, with only a few panels still missing near the corners and above entrances. Structural work continues on one unfinished wall section, where reinforcement elements are still visible, indicating final concrete work is pending. In the tribuna area, construction activity is ongoing but relatively calm. Several elevated platforms are visible, and workers are active at different levels, mainly focused on interior and structural tasks. No major new facade elements have been added here yet, and sandwich panels have not reached this zone at this stage. Overall, construction at Camp Nou continues to move forward across all major zones, with visible progress in louver installation, staircase cladding, and glass enclosure works. While activity is limited due to the upcoming match, steady advancements are still being made. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for regular construction updates. Your support helps the channel grow, and we'll be back soon with another full walkthrough.